We have a court system that is premised on the notion of everyone being entitled to equal justice under the law. And that's only possible if everyone has an opportunity to have their interests adequately represented.
I would like to congratulate my good friend, Judge Juhas of the Los Angeles Superior Court. He has served on that court since 2002 to the present, and during that time he worked tirelessly to improve delivery of services and access to justice in family court, especially for low, moderate income litigants and self-represented litigants. He just finished an extended term as chair of the California Access to Justice Commission, where he served from 2012 to 2023. Judge Uas worked to recommend and implement improvements in family law procedures through changes to statutes and court rules. He helped create the Essentials program to educate and promote the practice of family law to attorneys statewide. He's crackerjack smart, exhibits grace under pressure, a hard worker, and has a wonderful sense of humor. Congratulations, Judge Juhas. We're so proud of you and we applaud you.
He's someone who has a profound and palpable commitment to access to justice. He's someone that doesn't just talk the talk, but he walks the talk, and I think he's done that every single day of his career.
He's a remarkable bench officer. He is patient. He is kind, he is thorough, he communicates with the litigants, he takes them through some very difficult times because family law is, in my mind, one of the hardest assignments you can have.
The California Lawyers Association is honored to join our partners in celebrating those who have gone above and beyond to help access to justice be achieved by people, especially in low and moderate income earning categories. The individuals we honor don't set out to do the work to get an award. They go about their daily lives, doing work for their clients or their communities, but they see something that they'd like to improve, and so they do something extra. As judges and lawyers, we have a special role in the community. We have the benefit of a special type of education and a skill set that allows us to open doors or create communities or assist people in a different way.
By leading with a steady hand, being fair, listening, never losing sight of the goal, and that is, of course, increasing access to justice. He's someone that is quick to give credit to others, but he is such a stabilizing force. And even at times when other folks may get discouraged or be stressed out about the path forward, Judge Uas was always such just a steady leader at the helm.
Its goal is to identify issues where there are barriers to access. He worked on several initiatives to make the procedures more accessible for those who chose to represent themselves in that gap, to encourage more lawyers to work in that area, and obtain funding to set up some incubator projects to teach young lawyers how to run their practices in a way that they could charge prices that modest means people could afford. And he's tireless. He does so many things. He teaches, he's on boards, he has a full-time job as a judge. I'm not sure when he has time for all this or how he has time for all this. He just never stops working to make the system better for people who would be voiceless if not for the work that he does and the work he participates in.
On behalf of the Judicial Council, we congratulate this year's recipient of the Aranda Access to Justice Award, Judge Uas. We want to thank you for your dedication and contributions to ensuring that all Californians have access to our court system. The tremendous work and time you've devoted to this critical ideal, both on and off the bench, is recognized by all and is truly appreciated. Judicial leaders like you make our court system work for everyone and play a key role in ensuring meaningful access to justice. Thank you again, and congratulations from all of us at the Judicial Council.